This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Mobile Edge Core Power AC battery. This has integrated AC outlet, high-powered USB-C output, and quick charge 3.0 Qualcomm technology in a not-so-compact, but still compact case, 27,000 milliamps, so it's just under the amount that you can bring on an airplane, but please also check with the TSA on that. The website usually has distinction for watt hour that you can bring on an airplane. So here it is. It's definitely hefty. I would say worth the price because of the size and what it does. And we'll get to the ports right now. So you can see here, it's a full AC port. So it's got the 3 prongs right there, and you would use this switch to turn it on. Then you have the USB-C out port, and then you have the USB 3.0. This is the quick charge 3.0 right here, is denoted in blue, also with the little text right there. And then you have the 5 volt 2.4 amp USB type A port here as well. And then on top, double tap, and there's the charge level right there. So quite a few bars that you can tell what's going on. It also has a light. Double tap to turn that off, double tap to turn it on. Goes really quickly right there. So you check the power level once again, double tap. So we like that. It has like a non-slip surface all the way around the battery. This is where you charge it right here. This is the import. And some venting right here because it can get quite a bit warm once charging. And if you're charging with your AC and using a lot of power. So we're gonna go further into the accessory box. There's the power adapter. And they give you some other pieces here. We're gonna check the back of this box right now so you can see more details of what this battery can do. You can go ahead and pause the video anytime and check that out. Okay, back over here. Here's the wall adapter right here. So this would plug in. And then this looks like a world adapter. So that's cool. So you can use this pretty much anywhere. I like that idea a lot. I do travel, or I did travel at one time. I probably will be traveling again at some point soon. So that's kind of cool. So here you get 2 pieces. All right. So this is the Mobile Edge Core Power AC, 27,000 milliamps of power, and you can even charge pretty much anything in here. Details will be in the description. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.